Good morning everyone. Hope you all are good. Today we will do abstract art painting while using oil pastel colors. Now for abstract painting what we need to draw an abstract design. In abstract design we mainly use different shapes, forms, colors and lines to create a composition. And then we will create an abstract design with these things while adding these things. Now here I am going to add an abstract design while using with use of different shapes, lines, ovals. So you can create it randomly. You can also add some circular shapes. You can also add some different forms, some lines. Now as you see, I'm also adding some lines into it. So here I'm using permanent marker. You can also use connector pen or a sketch pen. Once I'll complete my abstract design with the sketch pen with a permanent marker, here I will use oil pastel colors to color it. Now I will show you a different shades of a single family. Like here I'm going to use a violet color, then I'll use a pink color, then a light pink color. So you can observe that it looks so beautiful when you will take a one family colors and give a different shades to it. We need to blend each and every shade so that it will not look a different layer. Mainly we need to choose a shades like dark, medium and light. I am going to repeat this shade. Once I am done with the pink color or a violet color, I will choose a different shade. So please try to do practice with different shades, and it helps you to do shading. And it also improve your shading, that how to mix the shades, how to smudge the colors. So here I'm going to take the blue color. Here I'll already taken a Persian blue, sky blue and white. Now you can observe that how I'll do it. Here one more thing I need to share, that please don't put your hand on the color which you already done, because sometimes it will trace on another place also. So at last here I am using white color to mix the colors. Now again I will repeat the Persian blue, sky blue and the white color. Later on we will select some other shades also. Now it's white color. You need to blend it very nicely so that it will not look a different layer. So here I'm going to take a shades of green color, the dark green, light green and the lemon yellow. The lemon yellow is the lightest yellow color. As you see that I'll repeat each and every color twice, so it's totally up to you. If you want to repeat it again, then you can do it. The combination of Persian blue and light green is also looks very beautiful. So hope you will try it. Once I'm done with the green color family, then I will select any other shade. So I have some more area which is blank, so I need to add some more shades into it. So here I'm also taking light green and green color. It's not mandatory to copy the mine design because abstract design is irregular. Okay, so I already told you it's a composition of different shapes, different forms, lines and colors. So you can put any colors into it, you can put any shapes into it, you can put any lines into it, other shapes, including all the shapes, or it's totally up to you. There is no rule for the abstract design. The thing is, we need to just follow these things. So here I already taken the red color family, red, orange and yellow. It looks so beautiful, and these colors also shown in a sky while the sunrise and the sunset. So here we need to add some more shades. You can draw your design, you can select your shades, you can create your own abstract design. So here I am going to give the black gradation into these lines. The gradation means that we need to add one color from dark to light. To do the little light shade, here I am going to add little white color into it. You can also smudge it with the cotton bud, because it's a very small area, so cotton bud is perfectly fine to smudge in this area. So I'll do the same in this part. So I have some small area here, so I need to add the yellow color family, the ochre yellow, the bright yellow, the lemon yellow and the white color. So it's not compulsory to cover all the areas in the abstract art. You can just take any dark color, you can take brown color, you can take black color and just mark the outline on the fourth side of the sheet, and it will give you the finishing line as well as it will look beautiful also. So here you can see that I am marking one line with the all pastel color only. Once I will complete the border with the all pastel color, then it will done. So I hope you like this activity, and you must try this activity, and we will do together in the class.